Welcome to the Lauryn Coastal number 8 on the Parade of Homes tour. This home is every traditionalist dream, with its light and airy feeling throughout the house. Just being here gives me a vacation vibe. Come on, let me show you around. Want to wow your guests? This 2-story entry is the answer. This 14 by 14 room makes for the grandest entrance, and the barrel arch that sits below the upstairs railing is the most welcoming architectural feature. And the duck molding trim work allows this space to really fit any design style that you choose. Biltmore has always been known for their millwork. Millwork makes your home feel expensive and custom. We bet you'd never guess that there's a hidden surprise behind this wall. With no handle and no exposed hinges, their expert craftsmen hid the coat room behind these duck molded panels. Behind the kitchen arched doorways is the most incredible space in the Lauryn floor plan. It's the back kitchen. This is where all the kitchen work happens, keeping your kitchen free of clutter. Look at all this counter space. It's a true home chef's dream. Large enough to house the microwave, a work sink, dishwasher, double ovens, and my personal favorite, the bake center wall with ample outlets for your appliances, wire baskets below for your breads, chips and vegetables, and another hidden surprise, pull-out flour and sugar bins just in arm's reach. This kitchen is everyone's dream kitchen. With the kitchen sink off to the side, it allows your island to be more purposeful for prepping or entertaining. There's plenty of space for 2 36-inch refrigerators, a hutch to the side, and wow, just look at that hood spanning 11 feet long. This exceptional great room features a precast fireplace as the focal point, wood-beamed 14-foot inset ceilings, and a wall of windows showcasing the unparalleled views. As I said before, this home is just relaxing, and this wide, bright and airy upstairs hallway adds to that, allowing for plenty of space between rooms, giving everyone the privacy that they need. Thoughtfully constructed, the boys and girls wings are divided and share their own bathrooms, offering plenty of space for everyone and privacy for all your guests. Upstairs, you'll find a golf simulator room off the beautiful bonus room with large windows showcasing mountain views. Golf from anywhere you'd like without ever leaving the comfort of your home or the breathtaking beauty of Idaho. The open concept great room includes plenty of dining and kitchen space to host your friends and family. With an additional space for a grand piano or a second dining room table, this room is perfect for large family gatherings. This home is all about creating a stress-free environment for you and your family. There's so much more I could talk about, but why don't you come see for yourself? Buy your tickets online at boiseparadeofhomes.com today.